welcome back to our channel. Once again, FemMNY here. This is Chell, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an elephant balloon, a baby elephant balloon. Alright, and the materials we're going to use. Chrome balloon is 11 inches. This is also a chrome balloon, and it's 5 inches. We will be using 260Q silver, and any color 260Q will stuff this in in two of the balloons. Okay, so I'll start off with our 11 inches chrome balloon. So this is gonna be the body. So I inflate it to 10 inches right here, or 25.40 centimeter. And then we will need 2 more. This will be on our ear. So I will use a 260Q. So you'll stuff your 260Q right here. You fold this in half. Stuff it in your 11 inches chrome balloon. So now we're gonna put air in there just a little bit, and then see what I'm holding the 260Q in the tip of your balloon right here. You put your hand pump right on your 260Q, right in your 260Q. Now you pump your 260Q until you can see that, the bubbles out there. So that would be enough. Then grab the tail of your 260Q. Release the air. About right there. So now I'm gonna tie my 260Q. So now you're gonna make another one like this. So we'll put this on the side for now. The air might, come out here, but that's fine. We'll make another one. So they're about the same size. Okay, so I'll release the air. If you go sideways, it's both the same. So now that the air is out, you wanna tie this. Yeah, tie that so it'll stay that size. Maybe I'll put a little air on this one. They're the same. Okay. Alright guys, so we're ready to make the head of our elephant. So since this is 11 inches balloon, so we'll make sure that it's not bigger than the body. So this would be the body right here. So elephant head would be. So inflate the head to about 8 inches. So 8 inches. Alright guys, so now we're ready to put a face on our elephant. So using my Sharpie right here, marker. So now I'm gonna use this from Crayola. Actually, this is my son's paint. time to make the nose of our elephant. So I'll pump this to 3 inches, 7.62 centimeter. This is 5 inches balloon. Inflate it to 3 inches. Okay, so we will tie this, push that in there, and then grab it at the end, right there, stick it out. You just have to twist. Right there. So I'm gonna use a 260Q scrap while holding the tail end here. You make a knot. As you can see, it's not centered. Don't worry, you can adjust it later. Okay, see, and then you just have to massage that one. So your dimple is gonna be in the center. Oops. And there it is, guys. The dimple is now in the center. It's tied up at the back. So we'll cut the end here. So this would be put on the side. We will pump our 260Q silver. I pumped it just so it'll stretch. Same thing here. I'm gonna tie a knot. Then I'm gonna push this on in here. And then see this one, just push it back in there. Just like that. So this would be our thing for the trunk. Okay, I'll be using our glue dots. So there's your trunk right here, attached it on in the center. We're gonna use glue dots on this side. Okay, so now we'll attach this to our elephant right here. That's the head right there. Okay. So now, once again, we're gonna inflate our 5 inches balloon, and this would be our feet. We're gonna inflate 4 of this. Okay. I'm gonna pump this by hand, and again, I'm gonna push this. I pumped it a lot bigger than the actual size, and then inflate this to 4 inches. There. 260Q scrap. You just have to tie the end here. So we're gonna look like that. Okay, so we got 4 of them. Okay, so now at the back here, the back side, I'm gonna use our balloon glue dots. So I put 5 balloon glue dots right there. Alright guys, so we're ready to attach our elephant's head to the body right here. So on the bottom here, on the neck, I put like I put some glue dots right here, and you attach this to the body. Like that. So there's your elephant right there. Not quite done yet. Okay. And with the with the 4 feet right here, we'll attach on here. Alright guys, so now we're ready to attach our ears right here. So again, I pull glue dots right here, 4 on each side, if you can see it right there. And I just have to cut the tip of your balloon. Get our elephant here. So we'll put this here. Side. So there's your elephant. There's your baby elephant. So now we will put some decorations on top to finish the look. Put them on the side. So now with your 260Q, we will pump in there. I inflate it like about leaving a tip like this hanging. So we're just gonna make a flower. So about 1 hand, pinch and twist. Flower. And we'll put this on top right here. There you go, guys. Here's your baby elephant. And using our leaf here, or you can use anything that you can put under here to add a look. Alright guys, and it's finally done, and I hope you like this video. Once again, this is FemBam NY. We would like to thank everyone for your support, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And if you want, you can follow us on Instagram, FemBam NY. Alright, thank you all for watching. Bye. See you guys in our next video. Take care.